สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Welcome to my second episode of Kapao series. Today I will show you how to cook Khao Pad Kra Pao. Khao Pad means fried rice. Kapao means Thai holy basil. So it is Thai basil fried rice. Alright, are you ready? Let's dive into it. I will start with Kapao paste. And what we need is, of course, red chilies, green chilies, red dry chilies, and garlic. But not only this, I will add 3 more ingredients for more spices, flavor, and fragrance in the fried rice. It is ground white pepper, ground cumin, and coriander seeds. In a mortar, I will add coriander seeds first, then pound it until it's like a powder. After that, add garlic and red dry chili. Actually, you can cut the dry chilies into small pieces to make them easier to pound, but don't soak them in water. We are making a Pad Krapow paste, not a curry paste. Once the dry chilies is become like this, it's time to add red chilies and green chilies. I use different chilies because they all give different spicy flavors and smells. For the fresh chilies, I will not pound until it's completely fried. I like to have some chunks in the fried rice. Now, add ground cumin and white pepper powder. Then just pound to mix. Once the paste is done, let's set it aside. This is red Thai holy basil or Kra Pao Dang. It has a stronger smell and flavor than the green Thai holy basil. If you can find it in your local store, don't hesitate, take it. Always pull the Kra Pao leaves for cooking. Don't think I don't pick them one by one because I'm lazy or because I want to go faster. No. I do like this because it gives a better smell to the dish. Once you have done this, set it aside. If you haven't seen the first episode, Pad Kra Pao Gung, you can go check it right here. The good pork to cook Pad Kra Pao is the pork that have a little bit of fat because it will make the dish have more flavor. As always, I will use leftover rice. It's the best for the recipe and for fried rice in general. By the way, if you want to see how to cook yummy Thai fried rice, you can go check my recipe. Now let's cook. Turn the gas on high heat, then add cooking oil. So once the oil is hot, add the chili paste. Add enough oil to fry the paste. If you don't, the paste will not release its full smell and it can stick to the wok as well. Stir to mix with the oil for about 3 minutes, then add ground pork. For this part, you have to keep stirring until the pork is cooked. That prevents it from sticking to each other and becoming a big chunk. Add some fish sauce all over the wok for a better smell. Do the same with soy sauce, then add sugar and stir to mix. Time to add our leftover rice, then add a little bit of black soy sauce for the color. Stir to mix and separate the rice by using a spatula. Press the rice on the wok and stir. Keep doing it until everything is mixed. Using the spatula that way will give your rice a yummy little char smell. Now add the Kra Pao leaves. Stir to mix. Don't forget to serve your Khao Pad Krapow with a fried egg on top. And it's ready to eat. Bon appetit! If you like Pad Krapow, make sure you go check the first episode of this series. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย